Click on the product catalog at the left side of your screen. Select the coupon option just right here. Then tap on Create Coupon button at the top right corner. So essentially, you want to create a limited time discount or time-gated promo by guiding your consumers to use the promo code or discount code. You may then insert the name of the discount or promo, select the type of the discount, either for it to be on percentage or for it to be fixed amount of money. Well, you may also set up the discount only for your specific product by turning on this toggle. As for the duration, if your product is a subscription-based or using a recurring payment, you want to set the limit for how long the discount will apply. Then, on the redemption limit, do a check mark on Limit the Date option and set the time, the deadline for your customer to use the limited time discount code. For example, I want the Thanksgiving promo and at the 30th of November. Change both for the date and the hours. After that, turning on the toggle at the Use Customer Codes right here and customizing your own code name for the discount or promo. After that, select the Add an Expiration Date option. Then match it with the one you entered before. After you are good with everything, click on Create Coupon button. There you go, you can do a double check for your own promo code right here, especially about the deadline of your discount and the discount code. Keep in mind, when you make a payment link, turning on the option to allow the usage of the promo code, so then your customer or client may enter the code that you give them or told them beforehand. For example, on my payment link, my customer can click on Add Promotion Code button, enter the code that I gave or advertised it before, and there you go, know the price of the product, get the discount for it with the limited time as we set it up before. Because this is what they will see when entering the code exceeding the time limit. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.